how to make binary options Thales on Optimism. This is the tutorial today. My name is Eve, also known as Finance After 40. All the great links below. Say hello to Ziv, email, get 10% discount on GMX and cool other stuff. With that out of the way, let's do a tutorial. You need Optimism on MetaMask. We're gonna do Thales. We're gonna talk a little bit about the airdrop. But let's effing go. So we got a market cap of about $12 million. Thales is binary option built on synthetics, built on optimism. Okay, this is the website. And before we go to the website, I want to read this one. Optimism rewards have started. Check how you can earn and boost your OP rewards. So you click here. Let's read about it. Trading incentive program is split into separate 14 days round. After each round, fixed amount of Optimism tokens and Thales tokens are to be distributed proportionally among all by volume driven across. Total amount allocated 200,000 OP plus 350,000 Thales. Distribution is every 14 days, and this is how you between the up down only or up in out. I don't know. I only tried this once. I'm gonna do another test today. How much are you getting? I don't really know because I don't follow Thales a lot. I am super bullish on synthetics, by the way, but that's a different story. Maybe I should do a video in the next week or so. Up, down, range. Okay, so where can I play to get Optimism airdrop to Thales? 11,000 OP and Thales between up token buyers. So I can do up, down, or range market in, out. Got it. How do you do it? You go to markets. Okay, you got a couple of options. Market, range, onboarding wizard. Referral. Maybe I can shield my link. What is this? Interesting. Choose a landing page, generate link. Thales referral pro. Okay, I will shield my link to you in the bottom of the description. Good to know. Let's start. You go to markets and you gamble highest potential profit. Okay. Let's say will synthetics go to $5 in the next 25 days? Will Binance go to 250? That's actually more reasonable with the drop that we had this week. In the next 2 weeks, potential earnings 600%. Will Binance will it go to 2100? Probably not. Have it to 55? Probably not. You can scroll more. Oh, Optimism 80 cents. There's a lot of you out there on Twitter that don't like Optimism. For some reason, you call it a useless government coin. But this is quite a nice gambling platform. Of course, you can lose 100% of your money. I want to go a little deeper because this is like, let's say you are 10,000% degen, you pick one of those. Those have the lowest chance to win. But if you win, you make like 500%, which is crazy. If you scroll here, okay, if you scroll a little down, let's see what we got. Ethereum 2500, Bitcoin 26, ETH. Synthetic, that's more reasonable. It says the current price 295. Will it go to 330 in 4 days? Possible. Yes, no. Okay, good to know. Let's click this. Let's click synthetics. Okay, let's do something simple. Let's focus on Ethereum. Ethereum at 1700 in the next 6 days. So let's click. Will it go to 2100? Let's click on that. See what we got. Maturity August 26, 6 days from now. Strike price different 22%. Yes or no? Let's say no. I think down. I think no. I don't know. I've never done that. I don't know. I've done it one time with like $5. Potential profit 10%. Interesting. So you assume that Ethereum will not go to 2100 in the next week, and you make 10%. This is pretty cool. You know what? Let me actually do this. What do I need here? Connect the wallet, and you do need to have SUSD, okay? Pay with SUSD, pay with DAI. I have USDC in my my wallet, so I'll use this. Pretty cool. Pay with USDC, buy up or down. I don't know. Let me pause and see what I need to do. Okay, so connect the wallet, and you see I got like 14 bucks USDC. I don't know if it's true. I just picked down. Will it go to 2100? I think down is no. I don't know. It should say yes, no instead of up, down. Let's say down, 10 bucks. Okay. I have 14, so let's do 7 and do another 7 on another example. Let's put 7 and see what we got. Price pair down. There's a 91 chance percent. Yeah, there's 91 chance percent that I will not, it will not go to 2100, which is good money. Total to pay $6.04 extra, potential profit 60 cents. Okay, so I'm putting 7 and I'm getting 6.4. I don't know. Let's click buy. What is up? It's the other way. Potential profit 500%. Okay, so that assume it will actually go either touch 2100 or go above it. I don't know. If you are a Thales guru, let me know in the comment. I'm just gonna click down, price down 90%. Okay, let's put the 7 bucks in. Where do I change it? Right here. Amount to buy 7 bucks. No, where do I? Right here. Okay, amount to buy. That's why, you know, the interface, the user interface is not that great. But let's see what we got. Click buy. Let's see what happens here. It doesn't give me the details. Okay, interesting. You need a little Ethereum fees. Successfully bought. And now the last time that I did it, I didn't know where to look for my thing. But you actually go here. OP rewards, governments. Where's my home page? That's what I want to see. That's why I said the interface is not that great, because I don't know where the trade is. You can read all the onboard wizard. Okay, watch all the tutorials, which is interesting. But where's my trade? That's the problem. I always look for my trade. I don't know, maybe here. Click here. What is this? I don't know what it is. Tail. Is this my position now? Is it open? I don't know what's going on. That's crazy. Tails token. Okay. That's the problem. You see that's you go to Tails token instead of a dashboard on the beginning. You go to Tails token. And you see, that's the tails. Okay, where's my position? I don't even have my position. You can stake in here. That's just great. Your activity. That's my staking activity. Where's my trade? That's the problem here. And if they fix that, they could be good. Let's do another trade. Let me know where my position is. Let's click range market. Okay. Highest potential profit. Let's do another trade just for the example. Ethereum in the range between 1450 and 1550 in the next 6 days. This is quite addictive. I just don't know where my position is, but that's pretty awesome. Will Bitcoin in the next 6 days will be between 23,000 and 24. Let's find the range. That's pretty awesome. Aave between 80 and 90. I want something that expire close by. Okay, this something is good. You can change by time remaining. Okay, so 6 days is that doesn't need 4 days is the minimum. Okay, so will synthetics right now $3 will be between 260 and 330, and if I say yes, I get 53% of my vote. So let's say you put $1,000, you get another 530 bucks if it stays in the range, which is about 10% up or down. But let's do something else. No, wow, what is this? 6 days, the no is 98 cents. Is this a glitch? Price today 1724. Will Ethereum be, let's click on this. Let's see if I'm reading this correctly. Maybe I found a glitch. Out. Let's see, out. No, out is only potential. Yeah. So if it goes back to, okay. Will it be in this range? Huh. So no is 2%, but if Ethereum goes down from 1700 to 1530, let's say yes, why not? Let's go back. Hold on, let's go back. Trying to understand. Let's go Ethereum between this range, Ethereum between this range. This is nice, and you make 368% profit. Interesting. Or Bitcoin. Are we going with Bitcoin? What's the price of Bitcoin right now? 21.6. Will it go to 23? Probably no. Uniswap. This is cool stuff. Let's just pick Ethereum. I think this is normal. 1550 to 1650. Interesting. The next week, let's go. And this one is 1500. That's another 10% from here. You know what? Let's go degen full mode. Why not? Why not? Okay, let it load a little. So I got $8 left. I'm gonna put 7, but what am I doing? What's the difference between buy or sell? Okay, and am I buying or am I selling? Let's do with USDC. So do I sell? I don't know what it is. I'm just focusing on the buy, in or out. If you tell me what buy sell is, that would be good. I think there's too much on the screen for them to be super user friendly. They need to make it simple, make it a lot less, and let me see where the dashboard is to actually know my position. So right now Ethereum 1720, and by the way, the GMX wallet that I follow on Twitter, he's now 18 out of 19 wins, which is crazy. And he made back. And if you did too, just follow his trade. 10% discount on trading fees for GMX. Link below. Okay, we got 6 days left. Will Ethereum? So if Ethereum goes to around 1450 to 1550, stays in a range, I will say in the range you get 400%, yes, for like 4 times your money. Out of range 2%. So let's go degen. Let's say Ethereum goes down to 1500, you just made another 431%. $8, sure amount to buy. Where do I put the amount? Right here. Again, the interface is not that big, but it is what it is. $7. I need to approve. Okay. Potential profit. $5 on the 7. So on top of the 7, you get another 5. So let's say you put, I don't know, $700. You made another $567, give or take, assuming Ethereum will go in the range. If not, you lose the 100% of your money. Click buy. Okay, it says please wait. Let's please wait. MetaMask. Right here. Okay, successfully bought. That's nice. Where's my trade? Now, so we got 2 trades. That's where's my trade, and maybe we'll get some money in. I don't know. I still have USDC. How do I have that? I don't know, because I only took the trade right now. Imagine that I took the trade. I don't know where the dashboard is, and the trade didn't go through. OP rewards. Let's click here just to see what we got. We are around 2. Where's my amount? Where's my rewards? But look, this guy got my rewards. It's basically not a lot because I just started. But this guy, for example, 1500 Optimism, 2500 Thales. And that's his reward, and that's his reward. That's good. That's good money. Okay, where's my trade? That's what I'm trying. I can't figure out where my trade is. If I was, instead of degen, if I was like reserve, I think that in the next 4 days, let's call it 5 days, 4 days, 24 hours, price of synthetics is $3, and it will stay between 260 and 330, which is 10% up, 10% down. and if it's in this range, you make 53%. That's more logical. You put $1,000, you made extra $530. Not a financial advice. You can all it can all go to zero, of course. But that's a platform to actually check. Where is my trade? I don't get it. I don't know where my. It frustrates me because that's the most important thing, to see your position. I don't even remember what I took. That's I don't know what all this. Those are okay. Some proposals. Anyway, I will try to get a referral link. Maybe there's a discount for you using it. I don't know. Thales referral program on chain incentivize. You get a percentage from each trade of the person being referred, and instantly and directly into your wallet. No need to claim. Okay, I'll do that. Maybe there's some money for you, some money for me. Who knows? If this was valuable, my name is Eve, also known as Finance After 40. Check all the links below. I'll see you guys next time. Bye bye.